Want to manage social logins, share buttons, and follower counts on your WordPress site? Usually, that means installing 3 separate plugins. WP Social does all of it in one. It's a powerful and flexible social media plugin for WordPress that lets you log in to the website with your social profile, add social share buttons, and show social engagement counts, all without complicated setup. Let's show you how to get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugin installation dashboard and search for WP Social Login and Register. That's the full plugin name in the WordPress directory. Install the plugin and activate it. You are ready to start using WP Social. Once installed, you will see the WP Social menu in your WordPress sidebar. Inside, you will find 3 main sections: Social Login, Social Share, and Social Counter. Let's start with Social Login. Inside this section, you'll see 3 tabs: Global Settings, Providers, and Style Settings. In Global Settings, you can choose where the social login buttons appear. For example, you can enable login buttons on your WordPress login page, WooCommerce login, or custom login page. Once you are done, click Save Changes. Next, go to Providers. Here, you can connect different social platforms for login. For example, let's enable Google Login, one of the most popular options for site visitors. Click Get Started and follow the documentation to collect your client ID and secret key from the Google Developer Console. Then, paste them into the settings and enable the provider. Now, your users can log in with their Google account in just one click. Next, let's look at Social Share. Go to WP Social and click Social Share. From here, you can enable platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Once enabled, you can choose from 40+ button styles to match your website design. To display the buttons, go to the Share Settings page and copy the shortcode. Paste it inside your page or post using the shortcode block. Update the page and your social share buttons will appear instantly. Finally, let's take a look at Social Counter. With Social Counter, you can display your real follower counts directly on your website, so visitors can see your social proof at a glance. For example, you can connect your Facebook page and show your exact page follower count right on your home page or sidebar. You can choose from multiple display styles to match your site's design and control how the numbers refresh using the cache settings. Useful if you want to balance accuracy with site performance. With that, you have added powerful social features to your WordPress website. That's everything you need to get started with WP Social. For more WordPress tips and plugin walkthroughs, subscribe. We publish new tutorials every week.